Real Talk with Real Nurses presents Nurse Facts.
Born in 1820, Florence Nightingale became the most significant figure in nursing history. Nightingale used her knowledge of math and statistics to help demonstrate the impact that cleanliness had on mortality rates. She also became known as the Lady with the Lamp during her service in the Crimean War, where she was put in charge of nursing British and Allied Turkish soldiers. Florence Nightingale was a nurse, a social reformer, statistician, author, and the founder of the modern nursing profession.
Join us next time for more Nurse Facts. Thanks for watching.